If you are putting in 100% into your workout but not seeing the results you want, it can be super frustrating. You are not alone. Many beginners feel the same way. So what could be going wrong? In today's video, we are diving into the most common workout mistakes that beginners make and more importantly, how you can avoid them to see real progress. Let's get started. अगर हम अपने ऑफिस के शेड्यूल को देखें तो आपको क्या लगता है हमारे कितने आवर्स की सीटिंग होती है? So it's around 7 to 9 hours a day at work and additional 1 to 2 hours commuting. There are several studies on the impact of long sitting hours and it's been proven that sitting for extended periods without movement leads to reduced joint mobility and muscle stiffness. And it's not just the office workers. Thanks to social media and OTT platforms, even people with plenty of free time end up sitting for long hours glued to their screens. As a result, same problem. So with the aim to stay active and fit, when we start with the workouts, we need to first activate the muscles, and proper warm-up before physical activity helps increase blood flow and oxygen delivery to the muscles. Various studies have shown that warming up can reduce the risk of injury by up to 40% and improve joint mobility and muscle flexibility by up to 25%. मैंने भी अपने शुरुआत के वर्कआउट्स में वार्म अप को इग्नोर किया और मैं बस फटाफट हाई इंटेंसिटी वर्कआउट करने लग जाती थी, बट जब मसल पुल हुई उल्टा ब्रेक ही लग गई। फिर मुझे अपनी गलती का एहसास हुआ। Never mind, better late than never. I have learned from my mistakes and please don't do the same mistake as I did. तो अपनी बॉडी की स्टिफनेस के मुताबिक कुछ मिनट्स का वार्म अप कीजिए। वार्म अप में आप लाइट कार्डियो या स्ट्रेचिंग कर सकते हो। And here is a sample of warm up exercises. आजकल सोशल मीडिया पर वर्कआउट इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का बहुत ट्रेंड है। हम इन्फ्लुएंस होकर रील्स या शॉर्ट्स को रेफर करके वर्कआउट्स स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। As a beginner, our most important focus is on completing the workout. Now, what could go wrong here? Everyone wants real results and it all starts with a good form. Bad form can lead to injuries, muscle imbalances and slow progress. So get it right from the start to stay on the track. Let me demonstrate you the correct and incorrect form of squat. ये देखिए मेरे नीज टोज के बाहर हैं जिससे जॉइंट्स पर एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रेन पड़ सकता है। तो सही तरीका क्या है? हील्स फ्लोर पर फ्लैट होने चाहिए, कोर को टाइट रखें, अपने हिप्स को पीछे लेकर जाना है और नीज को इतना ही बेंड करना है कि वो टोज तक रहें। ध्यान रखें कि अपनी स्पाइन को झुकाएं या मोड़े नहीं, इससे स्पाइन ठीक रहेगा और बॉडी का बैलेंस भी बना रहता है। Please note that in strength training, using the right form is super important to work the right muscles and stay safe. Easiest way to follow correct form is to check yourself in mirror to spot and fix mistakes. You can also find lots of helpful videos on YouTube to learn the correct way to do each exercise. As always said, कुछ अचीव करने के लिए टारगेट सेटिंग करना is a must. कोई मसल्स चाहता है, कोई 6 पैक एब्स चाहता है और कोई 10 kgs लूज करना चाहता है। बट कुछ लोगों का हर वर्कआउट में फोकस एक स्पेसिफिक रूटीन पर होता है। Why not? पैशनेट होना अच्छी बात है। Only issue is that in this process they start losing the interest after few weeks. Even the motivation level goes down and it can lead to plateau. So plateau happens when your body gets used to the same workout and you stop getting stronger or seeing progress. So switching up exercises, adding weights or trying new routines keeps your body challenged and motivated, leading to steady progress. Keep this in mind that the secret to sticking with your workouts is to actually enjoy them and make them as a part of your daily routine. By mixing things up and trying different styles like strength training, cardio, yoga and Zumba on different days, you keep that motivation excitement alive. If you have been following my channel, you know I love switching it up in my workouts to keep it fresh and fun so that each and every one of my subscribers stay motivated and always look forward to the next challenge. Another important thing to remember is that results take time. If you have started working with great enthusiasm, awesome job. However, don't forget that progress is a gradual process. Be patient and trust the journey. Here are 2 key approaches to adopt in this new routine. Don't push yourself too hard with advanced exercises or heavy weights. हम बहुत खुशी से बताते हैं कि आज तो मैंने 100 kg के साथ लेग प्रेस किया और फिर नेक्स्ट डे वर्कआउट स्किप करने की नौबत भी आ जाती है। As a beginner, it's important to control your excitement and increase intensity gradually to avoid injuries, soreness, and stay consistent. Don't take it to your ego to start with the modified version. For example, if regular push-ups feel too challenging, start with knee push-ups instead. Speaking of push-ups, would you believe it took me nearly 2 years after starting my fitness journey to master proper push-ups? Progress takes time, and that's perfectly okay. Another point to keep in mind is that skipping rest for faster results can hurt you. Your muscles need time to heal and grow. Take 1 to 2 rest days in a week and get around 7 to 8 hours of sleep to recover and come back stronger. As we talked about, results take time and patience. If you don't track your progress, it's easy to get frustrated and lose motivation. Tracking small wins like counting steps or calories burned can keep you motivated and show you how far you have come. Smartwatches makes it super easy and they are available in every price range so anyone can start. Also, as a beginner, focus on consistency rather than checking your weight every day. Instead, weigh yourself after a few weeks and pay attention to how workouts make you feel. Compare your energy levels and mood on workout days versus rest days. You will quickly see the positive impact, and that's where the real motivation kicks in. Another mistake beginners often make is comparing their progress to others at the gym or online. It's easy to feel disheartened when someone else seems stronger, fitter, or further ahead despite putting in same effort. Remember, fitness is personal. What works for others might not work for you. Your progress depends on your starting point, consistency, and dedication, not someone else's timeline. So focus on your own journey. Last but not least, if you have started working out, do it wholeheartedly. अगर आप sneakers पहनकर कार्डियो करोगे, definitely workout करना tough लगेगा. So wear the right footwear according to the activity and choose comfortable, sporty clothes that make you feel active and confident. The right gear doesn't just support your body; it also prepares your mindset to give your best. So to recap, avoid skipping warm-ups, always focus on form, mix up your routines, don't overtrain, track your progress, don't compare with others, and remember to wear the right gear. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more workout tips. Drop your questions or mistakes you have made in the comments, and I'll try my best to help you out.